made 300 paintings and discovered this about color mixing. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret that I wish I knew ages ago. This is all about trusting your instincts and letting go of rigid rules and just having fun with color. If you're tired of feeling stuck when it comes to color choices, this is for you. Okay, what exactly do we mean about intuitive color mixing? Well, it's the idea of mixing colors without overthinking it. You trust your gut and experiment, rather than following strict formulas. Think about the colors that just feel right. The ones that excite you. Maybe you're drawn to a warm palette one day, and maybe you're feeling a cool vibe the next. Now here's the magic of intuitive color mixing. There are no mistakes. Want to add more red to your blue and get a weird purple? Go for it. Want to throw in a bit of yellow to see what happens? Why not? As you mix, you start to notice patterns emerging in the ways that colors interact. Maybe you find that a touch of orange makes a color feel warmer, or adding a bit of green creates a calming effect. Don't worry too much about what you should be doing, just let your creativity energy flow. If you feel stuck, just pick a color, start mixing, and let your instincts guide you. Sometimes the best colors come from those random, unplanned combinations. If you find yourself getting too rigid, step back. Number 1, start with a base color. Pick something that feels good. It could be your favorite color or just whatever you're in the mood for that day. Number 2, don't be afraid to experiment. Mix in some unexpected shades. Maybe add a bit of white to lighten it up, or try mixing 2 complementary colors to see what happens. Number 3, pay attention to how the colors feel. Is it warm, cool, bold, calm? This will help guide your decision making. Number 4, trust the process. If you like what you've mixed, keep going. If not, don't stress, just mix something else. Remember, there are no mistakes here, just opportunities to discover. Let's take a look at a few examples of intuitive color mixing in action. Here I've used an array of unexpected color choices, and the result is something uniquely expressive. As you can see, there are no rigid color schemes here, but each mix feels intentional and dynamic. The best part, I didn't follow any rules. I just went with what felt right in the moment. If you're ready to let go of the fear of getting it right and embrace the beauty of exploration, I encourage you to try the intuitive color mixing in your own work. It's a great way to break free from the color blocks and discover your true creative voice. If you enjoyed this video and feel inspired to mix some colors of your own, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more art tips and inspiration. And I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite color combo? Or what's the most surprising color mix you've discovered? Drop a comment below. Thank you.